there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a triangle. This is a very simple pattern that you can adjust to any kind of stitches and as many rows as you like. I'll show you how to make it with double crochet stitches, but you can recreate this with half double crochet or single crochet or even treble stitches. It will the angle will be different. So the smaller the stitch you use, the wider the triangle will be. The longer they are, the narrower the triangle. So knowing that, you can create any kind of triangle you like using this pattern and just changing the stitches you use. So let's start. For this tutorial, I'm using super bulky yarn in red and a 10mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn you like and a matching hook. Start with a slip knot and then chain 2. And now make 2 double crochet in a second chain from the hook. And this is your first row. Now turn and chain 3. This counts as a double crochet, and then in the first stitch we are going to make another double crochet. Then in the next stitch we will be making 2 double crochet. And this is your second row. Again, turn, make 3 chains, and then in the first stitch make a double crochet. Then make a double crochet next. Another double crochet in next stitch. And in the last stitch, which is the top chain of the chain 3 you made at the beginning, we will make 2 double crochet. And this is your third row. Now again, turn, chain 3, counts as a double crochet. In the first stitch, make another double crochet. Then make a double crochet in the next 4 stitches. And in the last stitch, which again is the top chain of the 3 chains you made at the beginning of the previous row, we will make 2 double crochet. And this is your 4th row, and you can see we are increasing on each beginning and end stitch to create the triangle. So again, we'll make another row, chain 3, turn and chain 3, and then make a double crochet in the first stitch. So this will count as a double crochet increase. Then in the next 6 stitches make a double crochet. And once you reach the last stitch, which is the, again, third chain of the chain 3 you made, make another double crochet increase. And To make a double crochet increase, you basically crochet 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So make 2 double crochet in that last stitch, and this is what we call a double crochet increase. And this is how you crochet a triangle, and you can keep going if you want a bigger triangle by simply increasing at the beginning and end of the row, and it will just go in a triangle shape. You will just increase, and in the rest of the stitches you just double crochet. And this is how we make the triangle.